All of my desires came true in less than 24 hours when I applied this technique. And the best part is that you can use this technique to manifest your desires quickly. Today, I want to share with you an exercise that can help you shift your beliefs and enter a new state of mind to manifest whatever you want in your life. This exercise is unlike anything you've tried before, and it has helped me manifest everything from money to improved relationships and more. So if you're ready to take control of your life, keep listening. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm about to share with you is the most powerful technique I've come across. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let me tell you why this technique is the best and why you should use it to manifest your desires. This technique is different from all the others because it works on a deeper level. It addresses the root cause of why you're unable to manifest your desires. You see, many of us have limiting beliefs that are holding us back from achieving our goals. These beliefs are buried deep in our subconscious mind, and we're often not even aware of them. This technique helps you to identify and overcome those limiting beliefs so that you can manifest your desires effortlessly. It's simple, easy to use, and it can work for anyone, regardless of their current situation. This technique will help you can rewrite your story and change your beliefs. This technique allows you to create new, empowering statements that align with your desires. And the best part is, anyone can do it. You don't need any special skills or tools to start rescripting your beliefs. All you need is a pen, paper, and the willingness to transform your life. Now, let me tell you how I've used rescripting to manifest everything from money to improved relationships and more. I had a limiting belief that money was hard to come by and that I had to work hard to earn it. Then I tried this technique, and what happened next? Within a week, I received an unexpected payment that exceeded my expectations. Now let me share with you another one. I had a limiting belief that I was unworthy of love and respect, which made it hard for me to connect with others. But when I started using this technique, I began to attract positive and supportive people into my life, and my relationships improved dramatically. So what is this technique? It's called rescripting, and it's a simple yet powerful exercise that can help you overcome your limiting beliefs and manifest your desires. It involves identifying your negative beliefs, reframing them into positive affirmations, and then repeating those affirmations until they become your new reality. Now that you know why rescripting is the best technique and how I've used it to manifest everything, let me teach you the steps to use it. Step 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step of rescripting is to identify your limiting beliefs. These are the beliefs that hold you back from achieving your goals and dreams. They can be deeply ingrained in your subconscious mind, making them hard to recognize. But once you become aware of them, you can start to challenge and change them. To identify your limiting beliefs, you can start by asking yourself a few questions. What do you believe about yourself, your abilities, and your circumstances that are preventing you from achieving your desires? For example, if you want to manifest a fulfilling relationship, but you believe that you're not attractive or interesting enough to attract a partner, then this limiting belief is preventing you from manifesting your desired relationship. Another example could be that you want to manifest financial abundance, but you believe that money is hard to come by, and you'll always struggle to make ends meet. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, write them down and try to understand why you believe them. This step can be challenging, but it's essential to understand your thoughts and feelings fully. Step 2. Challenge your limiting beliefs. The second step of rescripting is to challenge your limiting beliefs. Once you've identified them, ask yourself if they're really true. Are there any examples in your life that prove this belief wrong? If you believe that you're not good enough to succeed, ask yourself if there are any instances where you have succeeded in the past. Challenging your limiting beliefs helps you see that they're not set in stone and that you can change them. You can challenge them by looking for evidence that proves them wrong, or by finding alternative beliefs that feel more empowering. This step is crucial in rescripting because it helps you shift your mindset from a limiting one to an empowering one. Let's say that you want to start your own business, but you believe that you're not smart enough to be an entrepreneur. Challenging this belief could involve finding examples of successful business owners who started with little knowledge but learned along the way. Or you could try to find evidence of your own intelligence by remembering times when you excelled at something or received praise for your ideas. Step 3. Create empowering statements. The third step of rescripting is to create empowering statements that align with your desires. These statements should be positive, present tense, and focused on what you want to manifest. For example, I am abundant in all areas of my life, or I am worthy of love and respect. Creating empowering statements helps you to focus on what you want to manifest rather than what you don't want. These statements are also designed to replace your limiting beliefs with empowering ones. When you repeat these statements every day, you begin to believe them, and they become your reality. To create empowering statements, start by identifying what you want to manifest. If you want to manifest a better job, your statement could be, I am worthy of a fulfilling and satisfying job that pays me well. Or, if you want to manifest a healthier lifestyle, your statement could be, I am committed to making healthy choices that nourish my body and mind. Step 4. Repeat, visualize, and feel. The fourth step of rescripting is to repeat these statements every day. Visualize yourself already having what you desire, and feel the emotions associated with it. This is the key to manifesting your desires with rescripting. You need to believe that you already have what you desire and feel the emotions associated with it. When you repeat your empowering statements, it's important to do it consistently and with conviction. Find a quiet place where you can focus and say your statements out loud or silently to yourself. You can repeat them in the morning, before bed, or any time that works best for you. The more you repeat them, the more they become ingrained in your subconscious mind. Visualization is also a part of rescripting. It involves creating a mental image of yourself already having what you desire. This helps you to feel the emotions associated with it and aligns your thoughts with your desires. As you visualize yourself already having what you desire, it's important to feel the emotions associated with it. This could be feelings of joy, gratitude, excitement, or any other positive emotion. Imagine how it would feel to have your desires manifest, and allow yourself to experience those feelings in the present moment. The more you feel the emotions associated with your desires, the more you attract them into your life. If you can't visualize, then don't worry. You can affirm the positive statement and feel the emotions of a wished-for fulfillment. You don't have to visualize clearly. The main focus should be on the end emotions. How would you feel if your wish is fulfilled? This is the most important thing you should learn if you want to manifest. Feeling is the secret to manifestation. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.